Hey guys, welcome to Random Fix. If you have a Subaru with the headlight issue, I'm sure you can go spend thousands of dollars replacing wire harnesses, and your problem may or not be fixed. You can start checking all your relays, your fuses, which is important. However, I've noticed on a lot of these halogen light bulbs, they generate so much heat, and you can't tell on this side of the light bulb, but we're going to look at the pigtail and show you guys that it's completely burnt out. So if this is happening to you and you want to just stop dealing with this, I'm going to show you guys a quick, easy fix, and you're going to be able to get your car back on the road in less than 40 bucks, have a full functioning car again. And let me show you guys how to go ahead and just quickly diagnose this. Before I head over to the vehicle, you can actually see some burnt plastic in here, and this is a result of heat. And I could tell something was funny because when I went to actually just turn the headlight on, it worked, and it didn't work, so it was intermittent. But this wire that was connected here, the pigtail was so hot I could barely touch it. So this is the connector here on the Subaru, and you can see that it's really heat stressed and just completely decayed, because the amount of heat that these halogen light bulbs actually generate. So on my 2010 Toyota Prius, I had the same exact issue, and I kept replacing light bulbs over and over, and I got kind of tired of it. I did them in pairs. I replaced them with low-grade light bulbs, high-grade light bulbs, and nothing worked until I just went ahead and did a simple upgrade. I put a LED headlight in, and the problem has been fixed ever since. Not one hiccup. Not to mention that the drive is a lot clearer at night. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Even if your harness looks like this and it's decayed, you're going to be able to go ahead and do this. Shouldn't have to do any kind of modifications. And the best part is you don't have to really get your hands dirty, and your car will be back on the road in no time. So let me go ahead and plug this in and put this all together and show you guys that it's working. So with my ignition on and the headlights on, I'm just going to do a quick test to confirm that we are getting power here. So I got a simple little test light here, and lets me know when I'm on a cold circuit or hot circuit, so really easy. And we're going to grab the connector here. So this one right here is going to be your negative, right up here, and then the lower one is going to be your positive. And when the car is off, they're both negative, so this is going to be your hot trigger. And let's go ahead and plug in the light bulb. And so I'm hoping to get away with not having to do anything, and we're going to go slide this in here. And the beautiful part with these light bulbs is they really don't use much current. So because my harness is in pretty bad decay here, and make sure your contacts are going to be straight. If not, you're going to give yourself an additional problem today. So go straight in. Now you can go ahead and see that my LED light bulb is on, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and off a few times just to show you guys that it's working 100% of the time. And I'm going to give you guys an update video on this a couple of days later as well. I turned the ignition off too. High beam's on. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and let that one sit out, and I'm going to go replace the driver's side one as well now. And on the driver's side, you can actually see somebody try to jerry-rig this, because there's a little connector right there. So this has been an ongoing issue on these vehicles. The cool thing with these nice LED lights is when you put them on. A lot of the older ones were polarity based. You can mix this around and it works. So we're going to leave these on for a little while before we put them back in place to make sure we don't have any additional issues. Lights are on, high beams are on, and we're going to start the vehicle now too. The vehicle's running, headlights are off, headlights are on, high beams are on, high beams are off. So as you can see, they're both working correctly. We don't have to do any kind of replacements. All under $40. So I'll have a link to the LED lights that I included here. Most important part is make sure that you're getting one with aluminum, not plastic. And after letting this sit for a couple of minutes, these are not even hot yet. And this one's been on for quite a while. Definitely not hot. And even the plastic here is not hot. Normally, if it was a halogen light bulb, it would already burnt it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop these in place, and I will definitely give you guys an update, so stay tuned for that. So the lights have been on for a little while. The nice thing is you can actually touch them, and they're not that hot. One thing that I did notice is the driver's side did not burn up, and it did not have a cover. On the passenger side, since this is already kind of a known issue, I would recommend that you actually leave that cover off as well, just because it's like having a heater inside of a closet. And even though this is still touchable, after you have this on for 2 or 3 hours and you have the cover on here, it's going to generate so much heat, and you don't want that heat to go down and damage the wiring harness any further. Lastly, secure the ballast for the LEDs so it doesn't just vibrate around. And we're going to pop the cover back in place. Alright, so the light bulbs are both working. Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. The good news about the Subaru, we're still good. Lights are working. If you guys got any questions, leave them below. And I'm going to have a link to that test light that I used in the video, and anything else. And Subaru headlight problems are gone now. Thanks again, guys. Have a fantastic day. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and make it a great day. Bye.